And Imam Mehdi that was out, he's trying to control the situation. He's got the Muslims with him, but he knows even he can't take on the Dajjal. So what he does is he then gathers with the Muslims and he's just praying with them. And one particular Fajr, what happens is Isa ibn Maryam, alayhi salatu wasalam, he comes from the sky, from the heavens. He will come down on a ladder, holding, two angels' shoulders, or basically being escorted all the way from the heavens, all the way down to the Masjid of Damascus. And Prophet ﷺ has even talked about the minaret, from the side of the minaret that is going to come down. And what he does is he takes on the challenge of going for the Dajjal. As soon as he sees the Dajjal by Babul Lud, which is a place within Palestine, the Dajjal sees Isa alayhi salam and he starts to melt. The way salt melts in water, the Dajjal feels that his powers are going, or his, whatever it means by melting. I don't know whether it's a physical melting or whether it's a metaphorical one, means that he's feeling that, his powers are about to finish. And he tries to escape Isa alayhi salam. Isa alayhi salam and the Dajjal then come to a clash. And what's mentioned in the hadith is that Isa alayhi salam is on a horse and the Dajjal is on another horse. And both of them lift up in the air and try to kill each other. And Isa alayhi salam kills the Dajjal before the Dajjal is able to kill Isa alayhi salam. Now again, as I said to you earlier, these could be planes. These could be planes. Allahu Alam, we don't know. Or it could be the horse and cart edge. We don't know for sure. But as I said to you, I incline towards the technology we've got in the world today. Some part of that seems to be an aid and a tool for what the Dajjal may use.